301 West Beach Parkway in Mandeville. We're in the old Mandeville part of Mandeville and on one of the premier boulevards in this city. So I'm actually standing on the boulevard, or the neutral ground as we like to call it around here. We are just a few short blocks to Lake Pontchartrain. Now, New Orleans is in the area is renowned for a particular type of architecture. This house is beautiful. It really is genuinely beautiful without being overwhelming. Let's go, instead of going inside first, we're gonna check out the downstairs because there's just so many nice little touches that I wanna share with you before we go inside. So first of all, I do want you to notice the circle driveway that we have here for guests. And that stairwell takes you up to the front door, and you have the wraparound porch. Then you have the side driveway there, 2-car carport, and where that white car is, that's another parking pad that's part of this property. So you've got a ton of parking on this oversized corner lot. So we're here by the covered carport. You're going to notice as we go through the exterior, there's pavers all around, vinyl fencing there, iron gate here. The siding here is 175 mile per hour rated. So, you're going to be safe and sound in this house. Notice the true storm shutters as well. They're not on every window of the house, but they are throughout. You'll see them. And then underneath, there's some airplane flying around. Low altitude. Here's an elevator, right? So in terms of if you have somebody whose knees aren't that good or they're in a wheelchair, like this is a true elevator. Not a lift, but an elevator. Exterior seating areas, television. Again, here are the pavers I was mentioning. Fire pit. Outdoor spa. And then these are the stairs going up to back door, the screen porch. And there's another entrance as well. Then here's storage here. And still downstairs, here we are. This is workshop, man cave. It's a nice setup. We are still underneath on the ground floor of the house. Here's the concrete slab, and here's a half bath as well. So this is one of the 2 half baths in the house. It is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2 half bath, including the one we just saw. All right, so we came in through the front door, and these are, as you just walk through the entry, 3-inch nailed down red oak wood floors. And they're in great shape. Formal dining room. Here's your more formal living, but this house is over 3,600 square feet of living space. None of it ever feels uncomfortable. You can have some really big homes that, it almost feels like a museum. This house is approachable in every aspect of it. It's comfortable, yet elegant. Notice the crown molding. And then coming around, butler's pantry. All the cabinets that you're going to see, kitchen, bathrooms, even the utility room are custom Milltown cabinets. So from the butler's pantry, this is the guest half bath. And then the kitchen. And you can see just all the cabinets and counter space. You have the Eden Island there. Pantry. Another buffet. And in here you have keeping room. Or call it the den. Or this is where a lot of living happens. And you still have an Eden counter here. Notice the plantation shutters. And then, okay, so remember the elevator downstairs? This is the other side of the elevator. And here's a screen porch. So that's the door we just came out of off of the keeping room. So a lot of entertaining space downstairs as we showed you, but then just you have got more space up here, no bugs with the screen porch. This is wood here. Everything here is an advanced synthetic, synthetic deck. Looks like wood, lasts forever, won't split. And you hear in the background, that's just the city's doing some street maintenance, which is good. I mean, tax dollars at work, right? Okay, so coming around, we're on one side of the living room as we came through. Notice how the wood floors run through. Storage closet. Here's bedroom number 1 of the 5. Bedroom number 2, which besides the master suite, this is going to be the biggest one. This was used as an office. And by the way, the home has fiber optic internet, so it's ludicrous speed internet, as I like to say. And then full bath number 1. And as we came down that same hallway, here's the laundry room, room for the extra fridge, folding table, utility sink. And then this pocket door leads to the master closet and master suite. So super convenient. I love seeing that feature when you can get right from the laundry to the master suite. Because really, in the end, who's folding all the laundry, right? So on the other side of the living room, this is the master suite. Oh. Let me turn all the lights back on. Again, notice the crown molding, wood floors brought through. You have a porcelain tile here. Dual vanities. Here's the walk-in shower. It's beautiful. And a nice big soaker tub. Here's potty closet. And then master closet is one big closet that loops around. And here you have, that's the pocket door that leads back out to the laundry. And coming upstairs, we have bedroom, this is bedroom number 4. So there's your double reach-in closet. And so you have this extra space. The room measurements have been taken just on the rectangle, so you have this whole extra space for desks, for playing, for whatever you want. These rooms are huge upstairs, and they have a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Vanity 1, linen closet. Here's the toilet and shower area. Again, the same porcelain tile, so it's really elegant, and it just flows so nicely as you go through this home. Here's the other vanity, another linen closet, and bedroom number 5 with the same dormer. A couple things I didn't mention while we're outside, but definitely are important to mention, is the whole house generator. So you have the siding, the highly rated wind siding, you have the storm shutters, you have the generator. So really you can hunker down in place. The flood insurance in this house is ridiculously low, like ridiculously low, considering how close we are to the lake. Last, certainly not least, everybody loves a walk-in attic. You love having an attic because we don't have basements here. you need a attic and you want a walk-in attic, I just walked right in. 2 tankless hot water heaters. The circuit boards were recently changed about 6 months ago, so they're ready to go. There's 1 new HVAC system, and here is a central vacuum system. So this is a worthy tour. Come check out the home. If you have any questions and you have an agent, ask your agent. Let them know you want to see the home. And then if you don't have an agent, let us know. We are happy to show it to you. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.